Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoPulse. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this latest model so exciting. From its futuristic design and upgraded features to real-world usability and performance, we've got it all covered. Whether you're an urban explorer or a weekend road tripper, this might just be the perfect vehicle for you. The Jenpeng Tricycle RV has been making waves in the micro-RV market, and the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. Designed for solo travelers, digital nomads, and minimalist adventurers, this three-wheeled camper offers a smart blend of mobility, efficiency, and comfort. At first glance, you'll notice its sleek aerodynamic design, featuring a reinforced lightweight aluminum body, high-impact resistant panels, and an extended windshield for better visibility. The compact build allows it to maneuver through tight spaces effortlessly while still providing everything you need for an extended journey on the road. Let's talk about performance. The 2025 model comes with a highly efficient electric hybrid motor, offering an improved range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. It also has a solar-assisted charging system, so you can extend your range by harnessing solar energy when parked. This makes it a game-changer for eco-conscious travelers who want to explore off-grid destinations without worrying about frequent recharges. Another major upgrade is the adaptive suspension system, which ensures a smoother ride even on rough terrains. Unlike traditional trikes that often struggle with stability, the Jenpeng Tricycle RV's low center of gravity and intelligent weight distribution provide excellent balance, making it safer and more comfortable to drive. And for those who love speed, the Jenpeng Tricycle RV 2025 now features a turbo boost mode, giving you extra power when you need it most, whether it's overtaking on the highway or tackling steep inclines. Now, let's step inside. Despite its compact size, the Jenpeng Tricycle RV is cleverly designed to maximize space efficiency. The retractable fold-out bed allows you to sleep comfortably, and when not in use, it converts into a seating area with a foldable work desk. The built-in smart kitchen includes a single-burner induction stove, a collapsible sink, and a 10L mini fridge, perfect for storing essentials. One of the coolest additions to the 2025 model is the auto-expanding roof section, which gives you extra headroom when parked, making the interior feel much more spacious. Lighting is also an important factor, and Jenpeng has upgraded this model with ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted for different moods: bright for work, warm for relaxation, and dim for sleeping. The smart storage compartments make use of every available inch, including underseat storage, overhead cabinets, and even a hidden compartment for valuables. Modern travelers need to stay connected, and the Jenpeng Tricycle RV 2025 doesn't disappoint. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, a foldable 10-inch touchscreen console, and a voice-controlled AI assistant that helps you navigate, control lighting, and monitor battery levels. A 360-degree camera system provides enhanced security and parking assistance, ensuring you always have full awareness of your surroundings. The vehicle also supports wireless charging for your devices, so you'll never run out of power on the go. For music lovers, the surround sound audio system offers crystal-clear audio, making road trips even more enjoyable. For those who love off-grid adventures, this model is built with self-sufficiency in mind. The roof-mounted solar panels provide continuous power for the lights, fridge, and basic appliances. You also get a 15L freshwater tank and a compact wastewater disposal system, making it easier to camp in remote locations without worrying about utilities. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the modular shower and toilet setup. While most micro-RVs lack proper sanitation facilities, this one includes a pop-out shower pod with a retractable privacy curtain and a compact dry flush toilet, giving you true independence on the road. Safety is always a priority, and Jenpeng has taken several steps to ensure peace of mind while traveling. The tricycle is equipped with anti-lock brakes, ABS, traction control, and an advanced collision avoidance system that detects obstacles in real time. For added security, the biometric lock system ensures that only authorized users can access the vehicle. Plus, an emergency SOS beacon can send distress signals in case of breakdowns or emergencies. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Jenpeng Tricycle RV 2025 model is surprisingly affordable compared to traditional RVs. With a starting price of $12,999, it offers incredible value for solo travelers and urban dwellers looking for a compact, self-sufficient mobile home. Pre-orders are already open, and early buyers can even customize their model with premium upgrades like all-terrain tires, an extended battery pack, and a deluxe interior package. So, is the Jenpeng Tricycle RV 2025 the future of solo travel? Absolutely. It's efficient, eco-friendly, packed with smart features, and perfect for modern adventurers who want the freedom to explore without the hassle of a full-size RV. If you're looking for an affordable, compact, and high-tech RV, this might just be your dream ride. What do you think? Would you take the Jenpeng Tricycle RV 2025 on a cross-country trip? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in travel tech. See you in the next one.